I'm embarrassed. I don't know how Tim can get through it. I can't. I get too embarrassed.
Why?
I don't know. I just do.
¿Quieres llevarte el carro con la cara de Darth Vader?
Amber.
This is 30. What kind of phone does she have, I said?
Samsung. Cheap. Over here. Sure.
Alright, there's a whole bunch of Star Wars stuff. Oh, this is cool. $9.99. That one's cute. $10. Extrovert. Travel poster. $7.99. That's kind of cool.
Oh, you should show this one.
I want socks. Star Wars. There's tons of Star Wars stuff. Oh, look. That one's cute. Look.
Disney Cruise Line? That's kind of long.
There's this one.
It's a medium.
It's 20
Oh, there you go. For
sale. Ooh. So it's $36.99. You can't tell. Oh, look. Do you think Sam would like that? That's $37.
I don't know. $36.99.
So white. These are also $36.99. $163. Does this not look like Star Wars?
I don't think so. But Marvel.
This is $24.99. $12.99 for a plush. Did they have those at the parks now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Guys want some hats. I don't know.
That's what you got. Get this stuff wrong because you got that. You sent it to us and then we spent, you know.
I think we got it a long time after. Or a long time before. It's an Everest backpack. It's $14.99.
There you go. You can get a hat.
I'm not getting a hat. Oh, this is what I saw the kids wearing. This is Frozen. Look.
Princess Gown's at 25 bucks.
These are so Merida, Tiana. There's some up there. Yeah, Milan. And Anna. Oh, look at, you can get a Tinkerbell crown. Nope, don't put it on me. You can put it on you.
No.
These are $9.99.
Coin purse. I don't know what it is.
It's a little purse.
Oh,
Look how cute that is.
look, they're showing me.
Oh yeah. I don't have anything for Shelly Mae.
These are the Tink.
I didn't see anything for her. Good, how are you? Oh, thank you.
I do like this, but I don't know if I want to buy it. It's really cool. Hey, we're at the airport. Yay! We're eating at Bahama Breeze.
Before we leave.
And I got the jerk chicken and I got
Pasta, jerk chicken pasta. But it's really cool. If you guys ever come to Orlando, like go to an actual restaurant, it looks so cool. It's different. It's really cool. I keep saying cool. It's fun.
Fun and Cool is our name of the game.
So,
We're tired.
yeah, I'm so tired. Hey guys, we're finally home.
Yep.
It's 34, 36 degrees.
36 in the parking garage.
We put our little sweatshirts on, but we're still wearing
shorts.
So I'm not gonna wear pants from Florida to here. Like, there's no way.
And the looks we got were pretty funny.
Yeah, they're like, what are they doing? Are they from out of towners? We're like, kind of.
So, yeah. So, this is like our outro, and the guy's going the wrong way.
That's okay, it happens a lot.
Yep. So, we're on our way home to go see Echo. We've missed her. It's been 4 days. Well, for me, it's been 4 days.
Yeah.
So, but we will see you guys later. Bye.